What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys 5 banger products that have all made over $1 million in revenue. And not only am I going to be showing you guys the ads that made it happen, but I'm also going to show you guys their supplier, and I'm going to show you guys the website and break this down so you can do it yourself on your store. Q4 is right around the corner, and it's absolutely the best time to take advantage of past winners that you can scale this season. So some of the products today that I'm going to be showing you absolutely crushed it last year, and now it's your chance to sell them. Before we get into the value, if you guys do get this video to 800 likes, then I'm going to create a document of another 10 products that have also done over $1 million in revenue, and I'm going to be showing you guys the same thing: the ads, the price you need to be selling it for, the website that the competitor is selling with, and a few other details so you guys can go out and crush it this Q4. But let's not waste any more time. Let's get in this video, and I'm going to show you guys 5 banger products that have all made over $1 million. Alright guys, so this is the first product I'm going to be showing you guys today, and it's an absolute banger. This product has only been running for a few months now, and if you guys aren't familiar with what this product does, is basically you put it in your room and it broadcasts this amazing like starry night type feature in your own house, and it's absolutely blowing up. If you check this out, there's over 21,000 likes on this post and 10,000 comments. And guys, this is just off one of their ads. If we scroll into their comments, we can actually see that there's a comment like every 30 minutes or so, which means that this is a really good and viable product that you can actually sell right now. And one of the greatest parts about this product is they have a really simple website, so that means that you can actually replicate this at home. If you see, they did private label this product, and I'm actually going to show you guys the supplier that you can private label it yourself, and they're selling this for $79.95, which is actually pretty nuts. Their website's pretty simple. I do think they got some good images, and they also put this pretty cool video, but besides that, this is very replicatable by even a beginner because they have a lot of text in here, and in my opinion, I think they could have done a little bit better of a job with the description. And then they do have some good reviews here, but you could obviously import them from an app like Luke's or something like that. Now, if you did want to private label this product, the margins are absolutely nuts. I found this supplier in just a few minutes of looking, and basically you can get them for around $12. Usually, even though they say it's 10,000 pieces on Alibaba to get this price, you can definitely negotiate it down, and most of the time suppliers will be happy to give you this price. So if you can get this product for $12, and let's say the shipping to US is about $3 per product, that means your total cost per goods is only $15, which leaves you $65 profit margin, which is absolutely nuts. But if you guys don't want to private label this yourself, I also left a link for AliExpress, and the margins are still really nice. If you check this out on AliExpress, it's $26 to get this product shipped to your customer, which is really nuts. There's over a $55 profit margin if you do want to drop ship this product from AliExpress, which is an awesome way for beginners to get off the ground. And this is just the perfect product for Q4. People are gonna buy this like hotcakes. And I guarantee you, if you do have a good store ready to go and you have some authority in the marketplace before Q4 starts, and you're absolutely gonna crush it with this product. This is on one of my top lists of products for even myself to test, so I definitely recommend that you go out and test this before the mass populace try to get on this. Okay guys, so the next product I'm going to show you guys probably looks really familiar. It's this absolutely viral calming dog bed, and basically it's this really fluffy bed targeted for dogs with anxiety. And if you see, this ad has over 58,000 likes and 4,000 comments, and this is literally only one of the ads that they've ran, which is nuts. They have like 30 other ads that they've ran in their ad library, and if we actually check out the website, you can really see how simple this website was. And I was actually so surprised that they've been able to crush it this hard with this website. Basically, they have a pretty simple description over here, and then some graphics, which is honestly really nice. I think it gets to the point, and it also shows that cats can use this as well, which is a great selling proposition. So you don't only need to target those dog lovers, you could also position this to people who have cats. And then the descriptions ends off with some bullet points, and then this is kind of weird over here. I think that it did get to the point, but I think they could have made this a little bit cleaner with some type of graph or something like that. that. But basically it says the different types of breeds that will be good for the dog beds, and I think that's really smart because it will really help people identify which bed they should buy for their breed. So thumbs up on that one. And then besides that, everything else is pretty simple. And then what surprises me so much is they don't have any reviews. And if we check on AliExpress, this product literally has hundreds and hundreds of reviews. So I don't know why in the world they didn't import any reviews to their store. So if you're gonna sell this, definitely don't forget to import those reviews. And if you see, they were selling the first model for $38. So I believe this is the smallest one, the extra small. And if we actually see, the extra small one is only costing $13 shipped, which is nuts, guys. That's a 3x margin, and this product's done well over $1 million. And in my opinion, I think 3 or 4 stores have done well over $1 million, and I wouldn't be surprised if this store actually hit $1 million in 1 month. So this is the perfect type of product that you can scale during this holiday season because people absolutely love their dogs, and they're just gonna keep coming back and buying products for their loved ones. And this is definitely an evergreen product also, so that's why I definitely wanted to keep this one in the list, because it's gonna last after the holiday season, and it's perfect for a one product store, so you can run this up all day. So this is literally one of my favorite products, and I guarantee if you test this with the right ads and the right store, you're absolutely gonna crush it this Q4. So don't waste any time, go out and test this product right now. All right guys, so we have 3 more banger products on the list, but I need to tell you guys, if you haven't already joined our free Facebook mastermind, you need to join right now. I'm gonna be going live once a week, and it's absolutely blowing up right now, and you can connect with other like-minded dropshippers just like you. So if you do want to join, then go hit that first link in the description. But let's get back onto product number 3. Okay guys, so I'm sure you've seen this product before. It's the Haze Silky Skin IPL Hair Remover, and it's crazy that this product is still actually kicking ass right now. And I think one of the reasons people love it so much is because it's an evergreen product and it helps you remove hair. So it's a complete problem solver, and people aren't gonna stop buying a product like this because at the end of the day, hair is gonna keep coming back and everyone has the same problem. So this is the perfect type of product you can sell. And if we check out the comments, you can see that they're literally still running this ad right now, which is kind of crazy because this is just one of the thousands of ads that they've ran in their database. So if we actually check their website out, we can see how simple this website is. I think they did do a pretty good job. I like their color scheme on here. I like that they have this 90-day money-back guarantee image, and they really have some cool custom content. So I know what you're thinking right now. This is a private label product, and how am I gonna sell it? Well guys, not only have I made a video showing you guys how you can do branded drop shipping, I'm gonna leave a link right here, but I'll also show you guys a supplier that you can literally order from to private label this yourself. And if we look a little bit more on the website, we can see that they did do a really good job with branding, but that definitely doesn't mean that you can't sell it yourself. I think they could have improved a little bit on the product page. And then I definitely like this Instagram feed over here, and obviously the reviews are hard to argue with. But if we do come over to AliExpress, you can see that there's over 173 reviews that you could import into your store too. And the margin's just absolutely nuts, guys. They're selling it for $129.99. You can literally come to AliExpress and buy it for $46 shipped, which is ridiculous. That's over an $80 profit margin on this very simple product. And guys, the profit margin can even get juicier, because if you do want to private label this product, then you can come over to this Alibaba listing right here, and you can get this product for around $23, which is just nuts, guys. That's literally almost a 6x profit margin on this product that's so simple, easy to advertise, and it's just such a good market to be in, because I guarantee if you get some real consistent sales this Q4 with this product, then you're gonna be able to sell this store for a lot of money, because it's just an evergreen product that every Q4 is just gonna keep coming back. And even when it's not holiday season, people love this product. So definitely start a store around this product right now, because it's gonna be the perfect gift for anyone in your family or any females in general. So definitely don't waste any more time. Go out and test this product right now. All right, but let's move on to product number 4 now. You guys are gonna like this one. Okay guys, so product number 4 is called the Hypervolt, and basically what it is, it's this massage gun. And I'm not just going to be showing you guys one ad today because they literally have hundreds of ads in their library. So I'm just going to scroll through here and show you guys how much they're crushing it with this very simple product. And the thing is, this product has such a nice margin in it, and it's one of the perfect products to sell during Q4. If you see, they have some very simple image ads that they're crushing it with, so you know right away that you don't need some crazy video ads to succeed. Even though they do have some pretty cool video ads over here, I guarantee if you do test some nice aesthetic image ads, you can crush it. And one of the reasons I want to show you guys this product, because I actually got it for my dad last Q4 and he absolutely loved it, and the margins are just nuts on this. If you see, this is a really simple product, and honestly I gotta give it to them because their website is really nice, but I think they could have made it a little bit more friendly for a shopper. It looks kind of a little bit different from anything you do currently shop at. But basically, if we scroll down, we can see that they did a really good job with the product descriptions, and we cannot deny that this website's really clean. And this is definitely one of my favorite parts. They actually built these like 3D graphics to put on their website, so that's definitely really clean. And then this part's really cool. You can click all these different buttons here and it shows you actually what attachment works for that muscle group, so that's really cool. This website's definitely done an awesome job, and you can see just the assets, including the videos and images on this website, probably costed well over 50 grand to build, so you know right off the bat that this store is making a lot of money if they wanted to invest that much. But if you want to sell this just off AliExpress, you can see that this product's around $60, and I believe they're selling it for $200. Let me verify. Oh my god, they're selling it for $349. So that's actually like ridiculous. That's a crazy margin. So you can get this around $60 shipped, and it comes with this like carrying case, and it comes with a few different attachments. But if you did want to move up the notch and you want to private label it like Hypervolt, then what I would do is I would come over to Alibaba, and you can actually get it as cheap as $28 for 1,000 pieces. And like I said before, you can definitely negotiate it to this price, so that's just ridiculous margins right there. So you could literally almost 12 times the product cost, which is absolutely ridiculous. So this is definitely one of the perfect products to sell this Q4. Obviously, if I were you, I probably wouldn't sell it for $350. I think around $149.99 would be absolutely an awesome margin, especially that's like 5 times the cost you're getting it for. So definitely don't be scared of bigger competitors, because I've seen tons of smaller stores pop up and try to sell this product, and I think if you're ready to sell it right now, then it's going to be a prime time to get into it. Okay guys, so this is going to be the last product today. If you've seen this product before, it's this really funky device that basically you can go up to people and you can translate different languages, and apparently it translates something like 50 languages, which is an absolutely nuts product, and it's definitely a problem solver, and this product always blows up in Q4. I've seen this product over 3 years in a row just absolutely go wild, and to be very honest, I did test this product before and I made quite a bit of revenue on the store, but it wasn't during Q4, so I wasn't able to scale it. But I guarantee if you do test this product with a nice ad, you'll be able to crush it. One of my favorite parts about this product is how simple the landing page actually needs to be. If we come check this website out, we can see that they really didn't do anything crazy on their website, and to be honest, I really don't like it that much, and they're selling it for $75.83. But one of the things that's kind of misleading about this product is that they're using a different translator in like each of the different clips. So I actually showed you guys this model on AliExpress, which is actually a little bit more expensive than the model that they're using. But the reason I like this model is it looks a lot more clean and sleek, and it looks more like an iPhone or something like that that's super modern. So personally, I think something like this would definitely test out more effective. But if you do want to go with the cheaper option, I believe the other one's like $15 or $20 on AliExpress. So that leaves you with almost a 4 times margin just off AliExpress. So you know right off the bat, if you did want to go out and private label this product off Alibaba, that the margins are going to be even more nuts. So if we do come over to Alibaba, we can actually see that you can get it for as cheap as $18. So that leaves you with more than a 4x margin, and it definitely leaves you a bunch of room for scaling this holiday season. Obviously, people are traveling right now and they might not have as much use for this product, but with 79,000 likes, this product's done multi-millions in revenue, and I've seen at least 5 stores scale this product to the moon. So this is definitely not the time to miss out on this absolutely banger of a product. You definitely should go out and test this Q4 and make it happen for yourself. All right, and there we have it, guys. That's 5 absolutely banger products that have all done well over $1 million in revenue. And these are all super simple products. And not only did I show you where you guys can order it from, but I also showed you guys the landing pages. So when you do want to go out and test these products, you guys can have a reference to look at and improve upon. So if you do get this video to 800 likes, not only am I going to give you guys that document of 10 products, but I'll also include these 5 products with it. So you guys will have a total of 15 products that you can go out and test and scale to the moon right now. So if you guys want that, make sure you guys drop a like and make sure you're subscribed to the channel, because I'm trying to release 2 absolutely banger videos per week catered directly to you guys. But that's all I have for you guys today. Take care, stay safe, and peace out.